What's up, guys? We're on the channel. We're not really doing anything today. I'm just going to show you guys what we're doing with the Ranger, the Danger Ranger race. Show some parts. So what we got up on the shelf here, which the other parts are down there, but we gotta get these hood pins attached so that we can, get rid of. It'd be easier for the fire department, not the fire department, but if the truck has a fire, they recommend having these, and they prefer you to have these so that you can get inside the hood easier, just in case of emergency, blah blah. Just in case anything happens. We got some oil for her. We're gonna change her oil, which actually I might get. What is this? 5W30. Okay, so this might be good actually. But I might try to get some 5W40 maybe, depending. But we'll see. We got over here. We got ourselves a bearing kit for the ringing gear. This is our pinion gear, our ring gear. Right on over here. So here's our ring gear. This is a 410 ring gear pinion set. So what we gotta do here is what we got going on over here is our gear set here, gear seals, gears. I keep saying gears. Well, there's actually gear there. Bearings, seals, and nuts, bolts for the housing. I got myself a spare bearing because we're gonna use this one to actually temp out the what do you call it? The shims. But I just realized something that I don't think it's good, is that these two bearings, these are two separate bearings. This is a Koyo bearing and this is a AutoZone bearing, which I might just be replacing. I might just be returning because I just think there's a difference between the two overall heights, which I guess I'll have to measure real quick. 6.707, 14, right between there. So how big is this guy? Is the question. A whole nother millimeter bigger, which is not good, but we can take that in consideration when we shim it. All right, so the millimeter off compared to the one we're going to use, but that's not too big of a deal, only because we already got to hone the inside of this, because for us to test fit this stuff and make sure, these bearings have to be pressed into these spots here. So with that being said, instead of us having to press and depress when we're shimming this thing to make sure it lines up with the ring gear over there better, which I will explain more when we get to the actual video of installing this, instead of pressing it to get the shims right, what we'll do is we're gonna hone this out, making this a larger hole, just enough for this to slide over this whole thing here without having it pressed on. So we're gonna do that, but while we do that, we'll also, maybe what we'll do is I'll get this on a sander and I'll sand this down a millimeter just to match the bearing we're gonna use, so that we can use this bearing and, no issues, just put it together and be good to go and have a happy hallelujah-ness. So that's the idea behind this second bearing here. We have the Koyo, which we're going to stick with the Koyo with all the gears here kit. We're not going to use this gasket, or I might just stick with the RCB or RTCB, whatever they call it. The rubber gasket stuff, or maybe use both. Usually I do both actually. So probably doing both of that. Bearings, all good there. The only thing we have left to really do is other than hood pins and gearing, which the gearing should be the hardest part, is going to be just doing the seat brace. We're going to brace the seat better by using one of these tubes, or have this go from the roll cage to the seat, just to brace the seat better, and maybe add a bar on top to, just in case we cap over, a little extra protection on our noggins. So that's the major to-do list on Rango, is do that stuff. And we'll get to later on more fun things we might do to the truck to stand out while we're racing. So, but quick video. I just want to upload this video because I haven't really been uploading videos because it's just been busy working and constantly just trying to do things, and nothing ever works out. So remember doing go-karting also too, and also drag racing hopefully this Friday. So hopefully that happens. Listen guys, if you guys enjoyed the video, please like down below, comment down below. lost whole train of thought there. Comment down below like any advice you do for installing gears, because I've never done it before. It's my first time. It's gonna be very fun to figure this out and hopefully not have any issues. Like the video, you guys enjoy the video and want to see more Ranger Danger content, subscribe to the channel to enjoy the adventure and see what happens with our racing and see if we hopefully don't flip again, because I don't want to flip again. I don't feel like fixing my truck and I just want to have a good race, clean race, and hopefully win it. So like I said, comment, like, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one, and don't forget to follow your dreams and do whatever it takes. Alright, so
caution, red flag is out.
Here we are, passing more people. Like I said, it felt awesome to be able to do this, be able to get in here and then get the line and then caution. Once again, I get past people and we hit caution in red. So I think as soon as I get in front of them, I think a caution happens, but I'm not sure. Yeah, this Hercules blew his engine. I think he blew his engine or something, because the smoke was coming from his engine, but we had a very close call right here, which I didn't know. Like I said, that was insane, because I didn't know he almost spun out back behind me. I thought, maybe him. Oh, don't let it, there's oil right there. Holy shit. You have a phone on you?
Yeah, I have both phones.
Wow. I hope that one guy's okay.